trade recap tayo ngayon sa Nasdaq futures. I-backtest natin yung na-miss natin na trade nung Friday sa opening range. Kasi tulog na ako. Ito, mark natin yung yung discount week na to. Previous weekly low to, diba? Mark natin yun. Ang ganda nung ginawa dito ng price. Algorithmic signature talaga. Nag-drop na siya previous weekly low. Tapos yung bodies nag-stay lang below nag-stay lang siya inside the range ng discount week sa daily time frame. Sa 9:30 open, ganun. Nag-stop lang siya sa shortest interbank dealing range low. Parang purge muna siya ng liquidity bago nag-start ng market maker buy model. Is napakagandang signature. Pagka-stop run ng 9:30, nag-reject na siya higher. Pero dito, kahit di mo muna entryan yan. Dito yung ideal entry ng market maker buy model. After nag-reject na ito. Tsaka na itong lower quadrant ng discount week. Ito ang IFED. $9:30 open, nagano siya. Nag-stop run sa short term low, tapos nag-reject higher. Ito balance price range. Balance price range signature to. Dito. Pwede ka mag-entry dito, balance price range. Ito ang ito yung IFED. Pag nagka-cluster ng ganito yung price, sabihin, balance na siya. Ito, left until na tong fair value gap na to. Breakaway gap. Versus centered fair value gap na dito. Grabe yung rejection ng versus centered fair value gap. Pagka-rally ng pagka-rally sa lower quadrant ng discount week, nag-offer ulit ng entry dito sa order block. Just may rejection na to. Pag may rejection na low resistance liquidity run na pumunta dito sa consequent encroachment ng daily discount week. Pero tingnan mo sa regular trading hours, tingnan mo yung opening range gap ng Friday's opening range gap. Watch here. Yung opening range gap natin, nandito, nagka-cluster siya sa consequent encroachment ng yung both consequent encroachment ng discount week tapos opening range gap parang isang level lang, which means that it is a high probability target on run on liquidity. So 1 minute. Na-miss ko to since natulog na ako dito. Pero may pre-market trade ako right around this area. I shorted this one. parang everything just line up for this run on 950 macro, which is very very clean. Market maker buy model, and it got overzealous and rallied up to London highs, and previous the calls. Sige. Ganda ng pagkaka-reject ni Chris. Ito yung mga signature na hinahanap natin after ng rejection. After ng rejection, nag-close siya above 39. Natin. Nag-close siya above 940 candle. Sa 945 candle, tanong mo, nagana siya. Notice this retracement ng 5 minutes candle. Diyan yung tawag dito. Ideal entry mo ng second stage reaccumulation of market maker buy model. Strong liquidity dito. This was a super clean setup, and I will look for another setup, these types of setup next week. And that's it for trade recap on my news trades on Friday. Talk to you next time. Lord willing. Peace out.